Hi, I'm Mel and welcome back or welcome to my channel. And if you are new, please subscribe, push that notification bell to see when I post. And I thank each and every one of you who watch and will watch from now on. So thank you very much. Before I start, please make sure to enter my giveaway if you haven't already. The link is in the description box down below. And I'm doing an international self-care giveaway for January. It ends on the 31st of January, so please do enter that this week. So far it's been amazing, so thank you if you have entered my giveaway. You can enter I think about 7 times, so please do if you haven't already, and if you have, good luck. I'm fingers crossed you will win. So today I bring you my January Papergang box, and I've brought my scissors with me because it's taped together rather than sellotape. It's like parcel tape. But this is the box. It's like a babyish pink purpley colour, and then it's got like the navy lilac colour trees printed all over it. And again, it is the sleeve with the cardboard inside. It's a bit torn, and then on here it is called a sustainable living chart with one simple change each day. You can focus on reducing your impact on this wonderful earth. Cross off each point if you manage to complete a sustainable alternative. So that's quite cool. And I'm hiding my dress here. Well, it's not mine, but it's my parents'. And I'm going to open this now and share it with you. If you don't know what Papergang is, if you are new to my channel, haven't watched any of my Papergang videos before, Papergang is a subscription box run by Oh Dear, which is a fastly growing small business, and they are UK based, I believe, but they do ship internationally. And everything in this, near enough everything in this box, you can buy separately or as the box. And if you don't get it as a subscription, I'm pretty sure the subscription to me in the UK is £12.50, and that includes post and packaging, and you get it once a month. But if you don't buy this month's subscription, or you don't want to do a roll-in or a monthly subscription, you can go buy the last 2 or 3 boxes of the month, of the previous months. Anyway, if you like something I got in, for instance, November's box, then you can go and purchase November's box. It works like that. But anyway, in here I've hopefully took the tape off, so this will open, or not. Let's cut this one. So it always comes with the sleeve and the cardboard box, and the cardboard box always opens up with tissue paper, and then how Papergang works is written at the top here, how it works, etc. And if you want to find anything from this box, I'll let you know what you can buy on its own as we go through this. But if you want to buy this box or anything from it, I'll leave the link in the description box down below. And obviously you can subscribe to this too. I don't think you'll get this month, so it will start from next month. So I'll open this and share with you what I have got. That just fell on the floor. Okay, so first of all I pick up this leaflet, and this leaflet tells you everything in the box. Our Natural Earth is the company it's talking about this month, and it talks about them all in here. And it's the UK's #1 stationery subscription. Yeah, so it's Papergang and Tree Aid this month, and this box is Tree Aid sponsored. So the first thing I have got, which is super cute, and it's handy size to have on your desk or your bedside table, anything like that, or even in your bag, is this cute little notepad. And it's a A5 size, I think. It just lines, it says notes, and it's got the print of the tree which is on the front of the box. That is cute. And that I'm pretty sure you can buy Yeah, so this is called an A4-ish lined, oh it's not. The A6 notepad is £3.95 if you want to buy that on its own. You can, apparently. Okay, so I'm now opening this orange tissue paper, as you can see. And in here, wow, I'll try to show you this. So these are brass paper scissors. You can buy these and they are £9.95. This is really handy actually because I need a new pair of scissors because I have this pair which are my kitchen scissors. So it'd be handy just to have paper scissors, and normally I just use my fabric scissors if I'm cutting out paper, which is really bad as well. So if you want to buy these, they're £9.95. Next up I have got this, which is a shopping list, and it says have a think before you next buy something brand new. Maybe you can consider an alternative solution listed below. So repair, upcycle, recycle, create, borrow, swap, thrift, salvage, do without, or grow. So that's a good thing to think about. At work, personally at work, we have just gone into doing recycling like crazy, and we're not even got like bins at our desks anymore. So that would be something to take to work just as like a joke. But I know also that I have a fashion blog, I have a lifestyle blog. So for me, buying clothes, etc. is what I do, what I like to do. So at work I go in and they're, oh, something new on. Now I'm gonna just have to buy something new once a week or every other week. So that will be passed back at me basically, but you cannot buy that unless you buy the box. The next thing I have got is Unearth Your Ideas. This is a A4-ish lined paper notebook, and this would retail at £4.95 if you were to buy it on its own. And I love the print of it, which is the same print as the box, and it's just lined paper. This is really cool. Again, you could bullet journal in here, even though it's lined paper. I am lined paper in bullet journaling at the moment. Or just to write down notes, ideas, you name it, and this is perfect. And it's the small like exercise book size that it's handy and it will fit in most places. So yeah, that is £4.95 if you want to buy this. And then I'll try and open this. This is called Rizzo 2x A4 Rizzo prints, and this one's about like mammals, or is what it's called is mammalia, I think, and botanique. Yeah, botanique. And so this one is like flowers. And this one is about animals, like mammals. And if you wanted to buy them, the retail price for the two of them together is £17.90 for the two cardboard like poster prints. And that is everything I got in my Papergang for January. I hope you enjoyed. Please comment down below your favourite thing from this box and what you would do with that thing. Please also subscribe, push the notification bell to see when I post. Thanks for watching. Bye.